Hello, this is Paul Mott, and this is going to be a demo of the Copy Monster Excel add-in. So thanks for watching, and hopefully by now you've already had a chance to take a look at our first video where we talk about some of the basic concepts of Copy Monster. In this demo, which will be shorter than the first one, we're going to just step through how you can use the Excel gateway to move data in and out of Copy Monster very easily. So to give this demonstration, I have a copy of Excel running here. And before I go any further, though, I'm going to need to go back to my Copy Monster system and go to my team members. And I'm going to edit my record here. And I'm actually going to give myself permission to operate the Excel app. Okay. Make sure my password's up to date and save that. And so nobody can use this Excel add-in unless they're granted permission here, and they have to have team credentials. Okay, well, once you have that, and we go back here, now I can go to this blank empty worksheet and just say that I want to insert my Copy Monster app, and that'll show up over here on the right side, and I need to go ahead and log in with my Copy Monster team credentials. So I'm going to log in as Paul. And that's it, I'm in. Okay, so the way this thing works is that it moves data in or out of an Excel table. So there has to be a table defined on one of the sheets. And Excel Gateway, the add-in, it needs to know, well, what's the name of the sheet and what's the name of the table. So that's the first thing you have to do, is specify that. And then down here you can say, well, are you downloading from data from Copy Monster, or are you uploading data to Copy Monster? Well, let's start with downloading. Okay. So, well, what data do you want to download? Well, I want you to go to the SAP products folder and find the SAP products data. And which view do you want to use? Well, there could be, let's say, the purchasing view. Okay, so now that's what we want to download from Copy Monster, and you'll notice that the columns of this view are being displayed down here. And that's just to make life easier for me to create this table. So I'm going to just copy that to the clipboard. And now I can go over here and just paste that. And those are tab delimited, so I automatically get the columns. And right here I can say Insert Table. And I can say, yep, it has headers. Okay. So what Excel did was it just created a table for me named Table 1. That has these column headers that are the same as the column headers of this view. And now I can go ahead and download the data. I can put in the maximum number of rows if I don't want to get too much. I'll just click on that button and there it is. So that data has now been downloaded and it's available in Excel. Just that easy. And it only took out the data that was from this particular purchasing view. So downloading data into Excel is just that easy. You can get any table you want and any view you want and pop it into an Excel table. Easy peasy. Okay, now let's suppose we want to do the upload case. So in this case we have to ask, well, where are we going to put this data? So we're going to put it into, let's say this time, into the default folder. And we're going to call this SAP Purchasing. It's just purchasing. And in this case, the table type, now so when we do this upload, Copy Monster needs to know, well, what kind of table is this? And I can type in a table type that already exists, but I happen to know that there is no table type that has just these columns. Now I do have a table view that was built on top of my SAP demo products type, but there is currently no table type that holds just purchasing. So all I really need to do is just type in a name and Copy Monster will just create one for me. So I'll upload that data. It just takes a moment. 117 rows were uploaded. Now if I go back to my Copy Monster here and look under Tables, Default Folder, there's my SAP Purchasing data. So there it is. And there is a everything view that was created for me automatically. This is actually all working with a new type here called purchasing. So those columns were just used to create something for me. And I would actually probably need to go in and modify these things at this point to say, well, this is actually, money. A couple of quick changes. But now in the future, when I'm back in Excel, and any time that I would like to upload data, all I need to do is just type in that table type, and it'll either reuse the one that's there or create a new one for me. All right, so let's do one other thing here, and let's bring in a little bit larger table. Let's open up a row here, one here that has 1,000 rows in it. Okay, so if I look at this, it's we have a table here called Table 1. It's on something called TR Master Sheet. So I'm going to go ahead and insert my app. In the shared folder, Copy Monster. There we go. Insert. Okay. Gotta log in. I'll log in as Paul. Okay, so this time we're on a sheet called TR Master, and the table is Table 1, and I want to upload this data, and I'm going to call this Tucker Products, Tucker Rocky Products. It's from my old motorcycle business. And we're going to give this a table type, TR Master. Again, Copy Monster's never seen this table type, but it'll just create it on the fly for what I have here. Go ahead and upload that data. This is 1,000 rows, not too bad. What did I do wrong? Did I type something wrong? Excel table, sheet 1, TR Master, TR Master. Try this again and upload. There we go. Okay, so 1023 rows uploaded to Tucker Rocky Products. Go back to Copy Monster here, Tables, Tucker Rocky Products, and there we go. So we don't have anything yet. It's still working in the background, trying to upload the data. Give it a second to finish up here, and there we go. Got it. So, 1,000 rows. Pretty good performance. Let's try searching for categories. Let's say category. Category equals shop. Okay. So the filtering is pretty decent. And moving data back and forth is pretty easy to do, and you can handle pretty large data sets if you need to. You saw that 1,000 rows went pretty quickly, and you could do 10,000 rows in 10 times that amount of time. And Copy Monster can handle it. So that's basically it for the Excel Gateway. It's pretty simple to use, and hopefully that covered all the bases. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this demo, and if you have any further questions, just contact me at paul@crystalworks.com. All right, thank you very much. Bye-bye.